Hello class, my name is Santiago Martinez Lama and I will be your tutor for this chemistry class. Uh, Today we will be a big problem. What problem it is?
Air pollution.
Good students, air pollution. Air pollution is a big problem because nowadays cars, industries, and a lot of other things incinerate or burn different materials that produce carbon dioxide, mercury, lead, asbestos, and a lot of more things that are dangerous for humans to maintain in contact or inhale them. And today we will see Lewis structure. Just student, pass to the front.
Hi, my name is Andres Ramos Trejo, and today I'm going to solve this. So we have here 6 and 6 times 2, 18. Got it? Now here is 5, 6 times 2, 17. Got it? Now here, 1, 4, and 2, 6. 6 times 2, 12. Because 4, 16. We actually here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing more. We do this. Excellent, excellent. Now this C equals 4. H1, but we have 4 H's. 4 times 1, 4. We have 8. Now we do H, 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 H. Great, amazing. Now the last one, the most difficult item. Balance electron. C equals 4. H equals 1. But 9 equals 7. 3, 10, 14. Now we do H, H, H. 1, 2, 3. Then 5. We need to add the extra ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a bond. Thank you.
Great student. Now who can pass and explain me the geometrical structures of these elements? Me. No, wrong. Useless. Now who can pass and do it right this time? You.
Okay, to check if this is correct, we need to first check the difference in electronegativity. So we need to calculate this. So this is bigger, this is correct, this is polar, and we have the dispersion force that is in everyone, and the dipole force. This is also the same. We have the forces that interact, and this is a bigger electronegativity. So we also have dipole forces and dispersion forces. So this is also correct. And in this case, we got the same. We have the difference in electronegativity, and in this case, they cancel each other. So this is gonna be non-polar. So this was wrong. And this also has the dispersion force, and this doesn't have dipole force. And in this one, we connect the same, so they don't cancel each other. So it's also polar. We have the dipole force and the dispersion force. And this is also the same as the last one. We got the differences in electronegativity, so this is polar. We have dipole forces and the dispersion forces. Yeah.
Finally, someone that can read right this time. Now we will see something else. These are the main components of acid rain. It happens when the previous modules interact with water in the clouds. These are nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Nitric acid has a boiling point of 83 Celsius and a viscosity around 0.76. And sulfuric acid has a boiling point of 337 Celsius and it's a lot higher in viscosity. And now I will name our best student to explain the intermolecular forces.
My name is Franco Martinez Vargas, and I'm going to explain you the forces that are interacting here. So we have this that has a bond here. Wait. Oxygen. Here it has OH. And in this case, we have this, this. So as you can see here, we have a hydrogen bonding here, and we have the polar particles. So they have dispersion forces, as always, and they have the dipole forces. So all forces are interacting in these molecules.
Excellent, Alan. Thanks for your cooperation. And fun fact, there are also solids in that air pollution. The most polar are lead and cadmium. The two have this dispersion force, but only cadmium has a metallic bond. Now, for these air pollution problems, we will see some solutions, and I will call our student for some retention.
I'll do it right this time, teacher. My solution are the HEPA filters. First, the air passes through the point filter, then to the activated carbon filter, and then the HEPA filters. The HEPA filters can eliminate particles from at least 0.3 microns and can eliminate something smaller through diffusion. We can filter lead, cadmium, and asbestos. they're really great to eliminate it. Then the activated carbon filter can eliminate the mercury gases because it uses halogens and also uses the dipole forces and dispersion forces just to attract that gases. And the pre-filter is for bigger particles like dust and a lot like lead maybe, but it's completely filtered through the HEPA filter.
To implement our solution, we can put HEPA filters on factories, small factories, and in strategic points of the cities. And then the acid rain and air pollution will be a problem because we are eliminating the pollution from the root. Because if there are no air pollution, there will be acid rains. And disadvantages are that they are limited resources and cost a lot of money.
I'm very proud of you. Let's make an ionic bond. This is a different moment. Let's get out of here.
In conclusion, with this project, we saw that a lot of the problems of the gases produced by industries, cars, and all of that can damage the environment, and cause a lot of air pollution that can damage us and affect the acid rain to come more often, and see how the components get together with other ones that form acid rain.
Air pollution is something that affects all people in the globe. So if we all make our own effort to make a change, we can solve this problem. And you might think that a personal effort might not be enough for make a change, but if we all people want to make this effort, we can make a change. Also, enterprises, companies, and governments using chemistry, as we saw in the video, we can use chemistry to make different solutions to the air pollution in the world. So we can help these companies and governments to make a big change in the world and have a better life, because the air is something that we all need in order to survive.
In conclusion, atoms get together to be stable by passing one electron to another atom or sharing electrons. We can know that by using the electronegativity table, so we can know if it's an ionic bond, polar covalent bond, or non-polar covalent bond. There are a lot of types of contaminants in there, but the main ones are lead, cadmium, asbestos, and mercury. We can eliminate them by using HEPA filters with the help of carbon activated, and we can put the filters on factories and in strategic points of different cities.
Well, thank you, teacher, for all the things you teach us. You're no longer with us now, but I do remember your class now. Now, our conclusion was first to install HEPA filters in all factories, at least in our city, to decrease the production of molecules that affect acid and create acid rain on all the state. Now, for this, we had to learn about Lewis structure, intermolecular bonds. We had to learn about 3D structures of all the molecules, and also about boiling point and forces. And yeah, that's all of the class, I think.